Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking time? Say hello to the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1, the ultimate kitchen game changer designed to simplify your life. This incredible appliance isn't just a pressure cooker, it's 9 kitchen devices rolled into one, handling everything from slow cooking to yogurt making and even sous vide, freeing up counter space instantly. Imagine cooking gourmet meals with just a touch. The Duo Plus boasts 15 customizable smart programs for ribs, soup, beans, rice, and more, making delicious dinners effortless for any home chef. What truly sets this Instant Pot apart is its exceptional versatility and user-friendly interface, making complex cooking simple even for beginners. Its durable food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy meals and super easy cleanup, a huge win for busy households. No more juggling multiple appliances or scrubbing stubborn pots. The Duo Plus truly streamlines your entire cooking process. If you're looking for the best kitchen upgrade of 2025 or searching for a reliable multi-cooker review, you've found it. Ready to transform your cooking experience? You can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus directly through the Amazon link in my description below. This powerful 9-in-1 kitchen marvel will save you time, space, and stress, making it an absolute must-have for any modern kitchen. Don't wait to grab this essential appliance. Click that link and start enjoying simpler, tastier meals today.